Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got Cohorted, and the theme this month is female forces. So if you're new to Cohorted and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their June box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Cohorted is a monthly luxury beauty subscription box that ships worldwide. The cost of the box is £39.99, and that includes shipping within the UK, and then additional shipping is calculated at checkout for out of the UK. For instance, if you live in the US, additional shipping is £12. The box contains skincare, makeup, hair care and body care, and there's always a minimum of 5 products. This subscription is a little bit different, as in you pay in advance for the subscription. So if you're watching this video and you really want to have this subscription box, you want to subscribe, unfortunately you won't be able to receive it. If you subscribe in June, your first box will be the July box, but you are able to purchase these boxes as one-offs for £50 on their website towards the middle end of the month. That's if they've got any leftovers. Now this box is kindly sent to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. You can use Cohorted Gift Me, which will entitle you to a free beauty gift with your first box. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll pop links to the subscription down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up the description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. So this month's box has a value of £119. Okay, so I'll refer to this as we go along. First up, I am so excited to receive this. This is the Clarins Stylo Pen. Oh, I really wanted it, but I ended up buying I Heart Revolution dupe instead. Bit of a price difference. They were fine, but look at this, you can still get them now, these little pens with lots of different colours, but it's all liners for lips and eyes, which is brilliant. So we've got a purple eyeliner here, so you twist it to release. Oh yeah, purple eyeliner there. Got a green eyeliner here. Oh, look at that, that is stunning, stunning. Black eyeliner here, classic black. And then lastly, we've got one for the lips. That is really nice. There, it feels really nice. Whoa, what a difference in comparison to the quality of the I Heart Revolution ones. Oh, I really like that. So the recommended retail price for this Clarins 4-in-1 pen is £28. It says an amazing all-in-one product for both eyes and lips, used to give structure to your look in the morning or to touch up your look later on. Clarins' innovative all-in-one multi-use pen is ready for summer, and its limited edition green and Florida pink print. Yeah, really happy with that. Next we've got a mini mascara by Laura Mercier, and this is the Caviar Volume Mascara. I've already got one of these, and it's a nice mascara. It is a really nice mascara. Nice big brush to grab the lashes and lift. Oh, there's no price for this, so this might be like a little added extra. It says indulge your lashes with the ultimate luxurious experience of Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. This thickening mascara offers intense volume, a full panoramic look and irresistible soft touch lashes as it glides on effortlessly to create high impact volume and glossy intensity in one bold stroke. The look is wide-eyed, intense and naturally sensual from every angle. Next we've got a product by This Works, and this is Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for dry, overwashed hands, and we've got 75 mils here. I've already got one of these. I'm noticing more and more the This Works Stress Check range is featuring it in different subscription boxes. Oh, it feels so nice. It does feel so nice. Yeah, it's got lavender, maybe ylang ylang. It just smells really nice. So it's soothing and also relaxing as well. says, as featured in Vogue. The cost of the hand cream is £10. It says a super blend of vitamin E and shea butter provide instant and long-lasting comfort from extreme dryness and skin tightness, whilst omega-rich bio boost oils work hard to help maintain skin integrity and counter the effects of the environment. And it says here, top tip, in moments of stress, apply the hand cream to create an oasis of calm wherever you are with the 100% natural stress relieving fragrance. Is that? Next we've got a product by Pestle & Mortar, and this is Glow Drops Customizable Tanning Drops enriched with hyaluronic acid, and there's 15 mils here. Mix 1 to 8 drops with your moisturiser and apply evenly to the face. Wash hands thoroughly after application. So these glow drops will cost you £17.50. It says, free from alcohol, colour or fragrance, these glow drops deliver a natural sun-kissed glow without drying out the skin, enriched with hyaluronic acid for skin hydration. It says 1 to 2 drops will give you a natural radiance, 2 to 4 drops will give a sun-kissed glow, and 4 to 8 drops will give a deep golden glow. And this product won Beauty Shortlist Awards 2020. So it's an award-winning product. Is that. Next we've got a product from NARS, and this is a high pigment long wear eyeliner in shade Sunset Boulevard. Oh, is it actually that colour? Yes, it is. Look. Oh wow, that is stunning. That is stunning. It's a very, very yellow gold. Oh, that is so pretty. There's mixed shades, so you might not receive the same as me, but it doesn't tell you what other shades that you could have. But the recommended retail price is £19. Oh, it's an exclusive, so it's brand new. The new high pigment long wear eyeliner delivers unprecedented intensity in just one swipe. The blendable gel-like formula glides on with comfortable ease, instantly depositing rich colour that sets in exactly where you want it and wears for up to 12 hours. A sharpenable tip defines waterlines and smokes out the lash line. How exciting! Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Next we've got something for the hair. This is by Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. This is Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask Intense, and it's 30 mils here. So the recommended retail price for this is £6. Visibly increase hair thickness and softly nourish the scalp with this unique multitask. And they've also got a QR code there, so you're able to scan for extra information. So you've got a hair mask. The last two products are by the same brand, Alaya Skin. And we have got a moisturiser and a facial scrub. So we'll talk about the facial scrub first. This is a pomegranate exfoliating facial scrub. Made with love in Australia, suitable for all skin types. And there's 80 grams there. The recommended retail price for this product is £17.50. It says pomegranate seed powder is a unique physical exfoliant that is gentle on the skin. Pomegranate offers incredible skin benefits packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that combat inflammation and assists in limiting redness and eczema. Okay, just on my hand there. Woo! Too much. Because I want to try the moisturiser as well. That feels really nice to smell. The scent is very subtle. So we've got an exfoliator, and then onto the moisturiser. This is Australian Native Berries Moisturiser with macadamia oil to hydrate, restore and replenish your skin, suitable for all skin types, and again 80 grams. And the recommended retail price is £17.50 as well. This moisturiser contains the bioactive complex of 3 Australian super berries: emu apple, pepperberry and riberry. These berries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin E and anthocyanins. And then it's got another QR code there you're able to scan. Just rub off the bits from the exfoliator. Yeah, hand feels really soft now. It almost has like a rose sort of scent to it, but yeah, it feels really lovely on the skin. So yeah, so I like the fact that we've got 2 products from the same brand there. So those are all the products inside this month's box. So I'll just go through it one by one, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Clarins 4-in-1 Stylo Pen, a This Works Stress Check Kind Hands Hand Cream, an award-winning Pestle & Mortar Glow Drops, a Grow Gorgeous Intense Hair Mask, an exclusive NARS High Pigment Eyeliner, an Alaya Skin Moisturiser, a Laura Mercier Caviar Panoramic Mascara, And lastly, an Elias Skin Exfoliating Facial Scrub. So 8 products in all. The cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of £119. Looking at all the products, I have to say that these two are my favourites. I think they're fab. I am so excited that I've actually finally got my hands on one of these. Yeah, so a nice selection again. But as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Cohorted? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.